Yes, Mr. Mujumdar.
This item 28 matter is very short on a technical point, although in hearing. I only want some experts. I'll do it, madam. But one matter in the other court. So
28, the district judge against an order from the customary court, he has not considered the matter. He has sent it back to a
senior division.
civil judge had considered this matter at any point of time.
No.
No. So under 15.3, either he has to allow it or he'll have to hold a hearing and then take evidence and then allow it. He will not have the power of remand. That's the point you are trying to.
Possibly they took a preliminary point when initially the appeal was filed by us before the district judge. They say that under 15.2 or 3, there can be the second appeal. They say that the order passed by the civil judge senior division was not an original, not in exercise of original jurisdiction. So that was a first appeal. So there is no second appeal.
So true.
So that will not be acceptable. You have to just accommodate I'll wait 2 days. Fine.
Your Honor, I beg to mention WPC case number.
Listing. For listing.
Yes, for mention. For mention.
What listed matter or new fresh matter?
Fresh. No. Admission. Hearing admission.
Admission. When?
For tomorrow.
What is the urgency?
It's been 4 weeks.
What is the issue? What is the issue? Issue involved.
Oh, issue the forest matter.
What I know, forest matter.
Yeah.
What forest scenic beauty matter? Forest mining matter? What is it?
Forest matter and wildlife matter.
I know that. What is the matter? Wildlife matter? Anything to do with elephants, tigers?
No. Wildlife matter for denotification.
Huh?
For denotifications.
Okay.
Failure for denotification.
Denotification.
Yes.
You are a private individual. You want a forest area to be denotified.
Yeah.
Any affidavits filed by the government?
Yeah, already this is given.
Affidavits filed.
Yes.
What is your ground for denotification?
Because that's a ground for the notification is that we did not get any notification from the governments.
Why?
Regarding declaration of the wildlife sanctuary and the.
When was the wildlife sanctuary declared?
In the 2014.
What is the name of the wildlife sanctuary?
Sir?
What is the name of the wildlife sanctuary?
Name of the wildlife sanctuary is Kamla Wildlife Sanctuary.
Okay. Was it notified in the Gazette?
In Gazette in 15th March.
This is what you want. You have prepared. Tomorrow. Both matters tomorrow.
Yes.
Good. And tomorrow you be detailed.
Okay.
And you will do the matter. Yes. Yes, Mr.
Item number 3 is already get for result.
No. This is 2 p.m. I'll deliver the orders. Orders are being correct.
Right.
Yes.
My lord, if I may. My lord, I beg to mention 2 items for listing, my lord. 2 anticipatory bail applications, my lord. Meeting matters, my lord. For Friday, my lord.
No problem.
Much obliged.
And I beg to mention criminal appeal number 14 of 2024 to be listed on 16th of December. NTPS appeal. No. It's a pending matter.
16 of?
16th of December.
No. The matter is of?
The matter is of 2024 itself.
Have it on reopening. Last moment, it may not be possible. The last week is there. Right?
Your Lordship, in fact, this matter was listed earlier, Your Lordship. They have taken adjournment. Now again, they are bringing for
December.
The thing is
Give
that
a
the
date
council
in
comes
January.
from Bomdila.
You give a date in January.
second week, Your Lordship.
Second week of January. Ek date does, na? Still give a date. Don't worry.
No, no, I will consult with the advocate because the conducting counsel.
Then you
comes from
consult
Promotional.
and come back.
Yes,
Make
sir.
mention thereafter tomorrow.
Keep your mind.
Minimum mention? No. Sorry. Hmm.
My lord, this is a civil revision petition
What is the purpose of a notice
for appearance.
before that?
The purpose of the
Why will Mr. X send notice to Mr. Y?
that some case has been filed against you before the court.
So you received notices here.
My lord, this notice was not received.
It
No.
was received in the WhatsApp, be that as it may, whether that is proper, improper, we'll go into it. But you received notice. Why did you not appear?
My lord, in the WhatsApp message, the injunction application and the plaint with document, it was sent.
The whole document was sent,
Yes, whole document was sent.
then, but the notice was not given to you.
Yes, notice was not
notice?
given to me. When to appear, where to appear, and this was sent by someone who is not party in the cases. Someone who is not party in the, neither he is a respondent, neither he is a
No,
plaintiff,
it's-
neither he is the staff of the Learned Court of Civil Judge, Senior Division at SEPA.
And not
So
even the
we don't know
plaintiff.
who he is.
But Mr. You are Mr.
This is
Why? You are T. Sunil.
T. Sunil.
T. Sunil. I'll not hear your matter today.
My lord,
I'm not
yesterday,
hearing.
yesterday,
Yesterday, it was told to me that you will not be here till the vacations.
that was.
Now, why should I? List after vacations.
My lord, I beg, I'm very sorry. My lord, that wrongly submitted by my.
When you make some, not in one case, but in two cases, I suppose. Yes, two
No, no.
cases. Huh.
One cases.
No, two cases.
My
Day
lord,
before also.
Yesterday I was.
I thought somebody else would be appearing. That way, I knew you were Sunil, but I was shocked. Means I was taken aback. I was told that you are out of station and you will never be coming back before vacation.
It was submitted by
So
my.
we will not hear this today.
My-
We'll
my
hear
lord,
it
this-
after vacations.
No, my lord, this case is fixed on
Can't happen.
tomorrow
I can't see you.
for expert.
I can't see you. Because I passed an order yesterday that you are not here till vacation. I think I passed that order.
My lord,
So today, how can I pass a different order?
actually yesterday I was, bona fidely I was out of station.
But you came back.
Yes.
This brief is very powerful, I suppose. It pulled you down. Like the issue heard Mr. T. Sunil, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard petitioner issue notice, returnable on. आज कितना तारीख है? 11. Returnable on 15/1/2024. Full stop. Considering the contentions raised in the present matter and also noticing the fact that the respondents herein had issued notices in the local newspaper Eco Arunachal without there being an order of the Learned Trial Court for substituted service, and further considering that the notices that it was only the plaint and a copy of the interlocutory application that was sent through the WhatsApp message and not by the plaintiff and or anybody from the establishment of the Learned Civil Judge Senior Division SEPA, this court hereby directs that further proceedings in title suit numbers 3/2024 shall remain stayed till 15/1/2024. Further orders or issue notice petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents. How many are there?
Sole respondent.
On the respondents number 1 to
My lord,
1 to 18 by way of registered post with AD as well as Dasti,
as well as by Dusty.
routed through the registry of this court steps within 2 days, 2 working days. उसके बाद वो बाकी आ जाएगा. Registry to list this matter again on 15/1/2024.
My
Anything
lord,
more?
yes, my lord, in one more case, appeal is there in item number 15, similar cases. This is the title suit, and in title suit, they have filed one
When
miscase
15 comes,
application.
we'll see.
No, no, my lord, they have granted, they have disposed the application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2. They have disposed the injunction application, that too without giving any notice.
In the same.
In the same case. In the same case.
Just give me that. Oh, this order is of 21/11.
27/11, impugned order is the 27/11/2024.
27/11. Before that, this order was passed.
Even this order was not enclosed, not sent while sending this
Fine.
document.
We'll issue a notice here, but what we do is, it'll come. I've stalled the proceedings till the next day.
My lord, this may be
I'll not
in the
say-
interim, because my lord,
Item number 15.
item number. My lord, in this case
But
also,
please,
on the same ground. Because we have not,
But
because
you have this is an order, you have filed an appeal, we'll consider it. This is an order granting your,
disposed of now.
why? You have filed an appeal here, we'll consider that appeal.
In the meantime,
Why?
this stay order that is given in the form of permanent injunction, that may be stayed
Will not do that.
till returnable date, my lord, till returnable date, or any short date.
It's not going to help you anywhere.
No, my lord, because now,
see, if I now come and interfere, that whole process will become virtually infructuous. Why should I do that? Look here, heard Mr. T. Sunil, appeal में ना, item number 15. Issued notice, returnable on 15/10/2024. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondents number 1 to 18.
respondent, my lord, there is sole respondent.
Oh, one. Respondent number 1, sole respondent. Therein, here also sole respondent.
Yes, sole respondent.
I took it the other way. Sole respondent by way of registered post with AD and baki ek hi rahega, and thus the service routed through the registry. Steps within 2 days. Also, list this matter again on 15/1/2025 along with CRP number 56 AP 2024.
Much.
Get your CD.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your name?
N. Kakum, Your Lordship.
And Katu, Learned Counsel for the petition.
N. Kakum.
Legally, also heard Miss T. Jini, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, appearing for the state respondent. Madam, would the victim be required here?
No, Your Lordship, otherwise the new amendment in our rule does not,
Required.
yes.
The present application has been instituted, praying for a grant of privilege of bail in respect of to the accused person herein. in respect of SEPA Women Police Station case number 25/2024 under section 64 bracketed 1 of BNS 2023. The accused on his arrest in connection with the said case on 10/11/2024 has been in custody thereafter. Full stop. Issue notice, call for the case diary of the above noted of case diary of SEPA Police Station case number 25/2024. Registered to list this matters again on
18th, Your Lordship.
18/12/2024 for production of case diary.
Deeply.
Your Honor, Your Lordship, this is a subsequent bail application. Earlier, the bail petition was filed before the Chief Judicial Magistrate of SEPA, and it was rejected.
Which one? Zamir Ali?
Yes, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
Jamir Ali. This is, Your Lordship, this is a case of,
That. Okay, get your case.
Same on the same date.
Same order.
yes, Lordship.
इसमें खाली आपका केस नंबर होगा सेजोसा पुलिस स्टेशन केस नंबर 10/2024 under section 306 of BNS 2023 read with section 29 of the Arms Act read with section 3 of the PP Act.
Deeply.
Same day.
Same
Yes,
date.
Lordship. Obliged. Lordship.
7, 8, 9, 8. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, this is 3 years application.
Even if she is a bad lady, would you act in this manner with a lady?
No, Your Honor, that this lady is the wife of accused applicant.
Oh, got it.
And Your Honor, that
But if she is a bad lady, will you still behave with her in this manner?
Your Honor, the
Get your series.
actual fact of the case is that, Your Honor.
Actual fact, we'll get it from the case diary. Get it early. When? 16th? 16.
16th.
For the accused, 7, 8, 9, same order, same police station case over. SEPA, Women Police Station case number 23/2024 under section 329 bracketed 4/74/118/117 bracketed 2/3 bracketed 5 BNS 2023. Accused.
Your Honor,
pre-arrest bail ऊपर में लिखिएगा.
Your Honor, the accused person is taking care of this victim and his
You are not taking care of the victim, you are taking care of the children of the victim.
children also, both, Your Honor.
7, 8, 9, we'll see on 16th.
Your
You
Honor,
get your CD on that.
interim protection may be given, Your Honor.
16th.
If he is get arrested, the
If
relationship
he is arrested,
will be more.
can't help it. The victim is there, she will take care of her children. You are taking care of both.
Your Honor, victim.
You are taking care of victim
Both.
and the both. Now
Both,
the
Your
victim will take care, don't worry.
No, Your Honor, victim has been now.
Let me, I'm
taken
not
away from
convinced.
the
Let
house.
me have it on 16. Let me have the case diary. We'll see. We'll see.
Right.
Remind me on 16.
I will operation.
I'm not going to cause this. Sorry.
He's still being the suspect, he entered into an agreement, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Lordship,
You were not even named.
Lordship,
Where have you come down from?
no, Lordship thing is that while lodging the FIR, my name was.
You have
not-
taken a bail
Yes.
first,
Yes,
then you have then proceeded and entered into this agreement.
settlement.
Okay. The name is Deepak Burman or Deepak Roy?
That is Deepak Borman. Is my
But he is signed as Deepak Roy.
his signature is indefinite. So, yes, that may follow.
Lordship, here also in the agreement, he has stated that this on suspect under section so and so
So
here.
and so.
Yes.
Oh, who are you? Why should you enter into
No,
an
Your
agreement?
Honor, thing is that.
You are not even a suspect.
No, Your Honor. Police.
Sorry, you are not the accused.
No,
You are a suspect. Be there.
On that day, what happened, Your Lordship?
And you have not said here that these allegations against you are false.
Police has arrested me. Your Honor.
Okay, but at least when you are drafting a deed of settlement, you should have told that this is not the man. I know him very well. He is my family friend. So he cannot do it. Something should be there. A story should be made out. By reading the deed of mutual agreement settlement, if I am finding that I'm reading the FIR and the other material, what doesn't give me a pleasure. I'm sorry, we are dismissing this. But no liberty. Heard Mr. T. Topo, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Ete, G. Ete, Learned Counsel appearing for the additional PP appearing for the respondents. After arguing the matter at some length, Mr. Topo on instruction submits, T. Topo on instruction submits that he be permitted. And it coming to notice, and so Mr. T. Topo submits on instruction that he be permitted to withdraw the present criminal petition. Prayer accepted, criminal petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
This is regarding the contract work lordship, and page number lordship 14, connection 1. Government of that's Arunachal Pradesh Secretary PWD issued a sanction of 40 lakhs for the construction.
No, I don't understand your prayer A. Is this a post office that you come here, submit a representative, come here, we'll ask them to dispose? You should make out a case. Your prayer is that dispose of my representation. I'm sorry. Those days have gone. You assert your right, thereafter make a prayer that yes, this is there.
Served this representation before that.
Be that as it may.
Concern office, but
If they don't consider, they will not consider you. You come up, you go to before the civil court. If they, because there is no admission, you go before the civil court. You establish your claim, get interest, come get your money.
No, lots of
Why should we?
lots of things that they have not created any disputes. Only they are saying that they will issue like
No,
that.
you only want that immediate dispose the petitioner's representation dated so and so, legal notice dated so and so, reminder letter dated so and so.
So Lordship, that is our prayer to release the remaining amount. We have
No, the first prayer, I'll have to go through the first prayer to come to your second prayer.
So
Madam,
that series of that's
Madam,
representation.
get your instructions.
Excellent, sir.
Get your instruction. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, I also heard Madam so-and-so. On the next, Miss so-and-so shall receive instructions as to why. As to whether the claim made by the petitioner in the present proceeding is an admitted claim, and if so, and if the claim is so admitted, is an admitted claim, why the amount has not been released to him. Registered to list this matters again on 16th. Space from Itanagar only.
Yes.
16th. Get your instruction.
May I, Your Lordship? This matter may be passable for time being, Your Lordship.
This item number 12.
12, yes, Your Lordship.
Wait.
May Your Lordship.
Oh,
Senior-
recruitment. Okay.
Lordship, this is for setting aside of the joint petition laws, for setting aside of non-compoundable cases.
Mr. Modi, you are appearing for whom?
My lord.
It's
I am the informant, my lord. I am the party in the agreement, and my lord, I should have been made as my lord petitioner. But inadvertently, my lord, I have been made as a respondent. So my submission in this case, my lord, I have no objection because I was the informant. The incident, what had happened, my lord, that they
99.
1999 case.
Till now, the case is pending.
Yes.
So my lord, I have no objection.
23 years.
Lordship, kindly see the page number 44 is the agreement, settlement agreement.
That I have seen.
And church was framed on It was.
What is the charge framed under section?
Under section 332. This is the problem. If
332 for protection, I guess.
332 is deterring public servant from discharging his duty. IPC. Voluntarily causing hurt to deter public servant from his duty. This is the charges.
No, why is the matter getting, there is a stay order here.
No. Yes, stay order is there. And one is 427. The charge was framed on 24 August 2000.
2000,
Yes, in page number 43.
just,
In those period, it was a magistrate who framed the charge.
executive.
Yes. Magistrate, executive magistrate framed the charge while exercising judicial capacity. In those period, and when the judiciary was separated.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is lordship, must be in first page. Kindly see page number 18, type copy is page number 20, annexure 1.
Page number 20.
Yes, page number.
Yes, what do you say?
Yes, since they have arrived into settlement, I have.
23 years you could do in nothing. Let them finish, let them go and be happy. FIR.
FIR.
Hmm.
May read.
No. This is by respondent number 2.
2.
Then
File FIR.
charge sheet.
Charge sheet is next page, lordship. Charge sheet is a very brief charge sheet. Type copy is page number 22.
20.
22. Double 22. Yes.
This charge sheet was submitted on charge sheet number 38 of 1999,
Yes.
dated 01/08/1999.
Yes.
Before, it was submitted earlier before the district magistrate,
Yes.
Papumpara.
Papumpara.
And now the matter is pending before?
Before the judicial magistrate, magistrate first class. UPR, judicial magistrate first class UPR. The charge sheet is only 3 paragraph. Brief charge sheet report was,
UPR.
yes, UPR.
And where is your compromise?
Page number of compromise agreement is page number 44. Annexure 4 of the criminal petition. Page number 44.
AC.
According the agreement has been laid down, this, since we have settled the matter, lordship, the situation was so that,
Your son died.
yes, my son died. It was,
He
because
had
of,
come there and he
very-
was
very-
unnecessarily
very
bitter.
belated state. And the family was crying and they are senseless.
Okay, disposed of. नाम लिख लेना सर।
I am the petitioner here.
Yes, you have filed your response.
Yes.
Where is the affidavits? Yes, Mr. Modi.
So, my lord, it was initially against the customary court, decision of the customary court in the form of the Kebang against the passed on 28/4/2023. And
22.
2022, yes, ma'am. And accordingly, being aggrieved of that, we have prepared a appeal before the Deputy Commissioner, which I admitted
No.
that,
Where is that AP Civil Codes Act?
my lord, I admitted that was in the wrong forum.
Then,
Thereafter, that appeal was referred. And in due course of that time, this execution was passed. Execution was filed, and accordingly, this execution order was
fine,
declared.
but because you did not go up, you did not challenge that order. Kebang order.
That is the reason.
So what is the
Now-
error
now-
in the
My-
execution?
My lord, now at this stage, my lord, this Kebang order has been challenged before the, my lord, appropriate forum, which is pending before the, my lord, Civil Judge Senior Division, my lord. It is pending now,
You bring this to the notice of the learned civil judge,
my lord.
senior division, get order. How can I pass this orders now?
My lord. Therefore, my lord, frankly, my lord, my submission is that this may be closed with a, my lord, to remain dormant
No,
to
no.
the order passed
No,
by
no.
the executive magistrate, by the
No.
deputy
Is there
commissioner.
any order passed by the learned civil, civil judge senior division in the appeal file?
Yes, appeal has been filed and appeal
Any
is,
orders passed there?
no order has been passed.
Then
It is
bring this to the notice of the,
under process. my lord.
you bring this to the notice of the civil judge, he'll pass orders.
And that person, my lord, I admitted that the appeal has been filed after the order, execution order has been.
We have got nothing to do here now. Either you withdraw it or I'll have to dismiss it, that's all.
So in such situation, my lord, I prepare to withdraw my.
You
Since the, my lord, this appeal is
Mr.
pending.
Modi, see Modi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, fairly submits that item number,
40.
fairly submits that against the original, against the decision of the village of Kebang dated 28/4/2022, he has already instituted an appeal under the provisions of law before the Civil Judge Senior Division,
Pasigan.
Pasigan, and the same is pending disposal as on date. Full stop. In that view of the matter, Mr. Modi submits that he would be permitted to withdraw the present revision petition so as to enable him to proceed with the appeal filed in the matter and as noticed herein above. Full stop. Prayer accepted. The Learned Counsel for the respondent has not objected to the prayer so made by Mr. C. Modi. Full stop. Mr. O. Modi has not objected to the prayer so made by Mr. C. Modi. Full stop. Accordingly, the present revision petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Interim orders passed, if any. Any interim order?
No.
Not like it. Stands withdrawn on dismissing. Stands dismissed on being withdrawn. Ulta bol diya.
All right.
Wait,
My lord, 482 application, my lord. There was a conscious decision on the part of the complainant, my lord. He entered into a relationship.
Let's go to the FIR
Yes.
and the 161 statement.
And in fact, my lord, the position was taken day before yesterday. She has said nothing.
Can you get a certified copy?
Yes, I have.
You have. Then why should we cause you finish it off there?
My lord, there will be trial now. Trial is going on. There are other witnesses.
Oh,
I met him there. I do not remember how he was received. In fact, here, my lord, there is not even a whisper about any physical contact. And even from the FIR, there was a conscious decision.
as and when I asked him for performing his performance, argument crops up and he used to physically assault me.
That part is another, 376.
376.
No, 376. Supreme Court is clear, madam. At best, a breach of promise to marry. They had
How
obviously
old is this man?
this man, just a moment. He was 41 at the time of filing of the CR, yes. 24, yes, 41. He's a widower.
He is also not keeping well.
It appears. Other sections maybe, my lord, but how 376? Done. Not a single whisper, my lord, regarding having any physical contact. This your lordship can always take on board the certified copy.
Yes. You are
Even-
appearing for?
Even in the FIR also, my lord, it is revealed there was a conscious
Private
decision.
only.
There was a
Huh?
conscious decision.
Private is no. What do you have to say?
I believe humbly this is a case of trial, my lord, not for quashing, my lord.
Satisfied me.
My lord will have.
The ingredients of 376 clearly missing.
Yes, my lord.
Others can go on.
Now, the issue before my lordship is, my lord, the consent, my lord. The consent by the.
The ingredient of 376 can be established by the lady.
Yes, my lord.
Her statement, do you have it?
Yes, my
Have
lord.
you seen it?
That time, my lord, before this is now before trial court, my lord. My humble submission, my lord, my lord will have a look at 161 also, my lord, of the accused also, my lord.
Now we
my
have the deposition before us.
yes, my lord.
Okay.
My understanding of 482, my lord, particularly in such cases, my lord, the consent, my lord, of the.
Where is that 161 of the lady?
One 61, my lord,
26.
there is an allegation, my lord. I will humbly rely on my
Page
lord.
26.
116 of the accused itself, my lord. 116 of the accused, my lord.
Has Miss Junaki Munda also been examined? Junaki Munda, witness.
No,
She
my
is a
lord.
witness.
This is
First.
only the victim was examined.
How many witnesses were there in the trial?
As far as my lord, here is
Kidna witness.
There's
There's only one witness.
Only one.
one.
The witness examination over.
Yes.
No, my lord, of the victim is over, my lord, not the of all the witness, my lord.
PW, only one PW was there.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, one
12, my lord,
PW
12 is-
completed.
Oh, no, PWs are there at page 20.
20, my
There
lord.
are 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 12 PWs.
Nah, Junaki Munda.
Therefore, my lord, my humble understanding, my lord, of
Zarum Nala is the lady.
Yes.
And your name?
My name is not him.
No.
I am Tabatechi.
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 And there's Zoram and all our family members.
These are
of
family
the-
members there. No, nobody is.
that will be not material, my lord.
Family member of the lady.
Lady.
A family member of the other also, my lord.
Where is that 161?
Of the accused, my lord, will in my epidemic, my lord.
26.
Page 26.
Yes. My lord, 126 is gone. So 161 is gone now. Even then, my lord will see page 26, paragraph 3 onwards. This should suffice. The accused person's constant proposal to marry me with sweet talk made me believe that he is a good person, and I finally agreed to his proposal, believing in widow, having 4 children, will not cheat or betray me. This is the case. Breach of promise to marry at best. With hope that the accused person will promise to keep his promise to marry me.
Okay,
I
what
could
is your
not-
decisions you are relying on?
Two 2019, 9 SCC 608,
2019?
9 SCC 608, and my lord,
Para?
no. Paragraphs are 9 onwards, my lord, up to 17. In fact, all of them, my lord, are up to 21.
When is the next date fixed in the case?
provide.
15 April.
15 April.
Yes.
Oh, we have enough time.
My lord may kindly see this at the next judgment, my
No,
lord,
no, no.
191, my lord.
Wait, I got it. You give me the judgments.
2019-18 SCC 191. Apparently, there was a conscious decision to enter into this physical relationship.
That is happened.
There is
18
a-
SSC,
191.
para.
Paragraph 16 onwards up to 24.
Okay. Any decision you want to rely upon?
I will, my lord, I will humbly beg to beg my lord to kind attention, my lord of my lord to the 116 of the
I've seen it. I'm not going in. Any decision you want to rely upon?
decision, my lord. No, my lord. That
That is Mr. Panning Sethi.
no, no. That citation, my lord. I humbly believe favor my case, my lord.
I'll go through it. Hurt the parties.
My lord,
parties.
my lord will give me 5 minutes, my lord, to
I'll
defend.
give you. I'll come back. Let me also be abreasted with the things. Let me come back. There's time now. I thought the matters is these some few days it's coming. Now there is April only.
Oh man.
Okay. Let's this matter again on
Wednesday.
6th. You will be coming back on Tuesday.
Tuesday or Wednesday, my lord, Tuesday lots of matters.
Tuesday. 18.
Tuesday.
17.
Right.
No, sorry, 18. 18, 12, 2024.
Paragraph 18 of the 2019-18 SCC, my lord, clear. Because from the FIR itself, it is apparent that on the promise of marriage, she gave the consent. That's it.
Only, my lord, will see, my lord, whether the this consent, my lord, is beset by the misconception of fake, my lord. Now, that apparent from the 161 of the accused, my
Whether
lord.
that consent was obtained because of the promise of marriage. That's
Yes,
all.
that's all. And now, my lord, the certified copies before lordship, the positions are before lordship. There is not even a whisper of any physical contact, my lord.
We'll see.
161 is gone now. Obliged. Fine. The next case, my lord, affidavit has been filed. In my humble understanding, they might be thinking they have rebutted my contention, but they have accepted it. This lordship was pointing out that day.
Lordship,
Wait.
may I kindly pass over this matter for some time, Your Lordship.
Okay.
As captain is-
Affidavit has been filed.
Yes.
When?
The same thing, my lord. The vacancy positions they have shown direct recruitment is this much, this much.
When did they file that?
I got it day before yesterday. It is clear. The same number of vacancies as calculated. It pays 145.
Okay.
Tallies with mine.
What's this? Petition number 4. Where is the affidavit of the government?
Shall I pass it on, my lord?
Just a moment. 9 December 24. Okay.
It's by one filed by one Likha Sam.
Likha Sampo, huh?
Yes. Page 145. Tallies with exactly what my lordship was observing on the last occasion. Oh, they are just refusing to give the breakup for reasons best known to them. We agree. Total vacancy is 828 by promotion and 20 by the.
Mr. Panning, just a second. I did not get it yesterday.
Oh.
I missed my notice.
I will tally this with page 41 of my report.
Okay, we'll have it up. At 2.
Page.
काफी खाने से सब खत्म हो गया होने से तो उठाना ही पड़ेगा, तब हम बोले वो हमें मेथड चल रहा है उसका हियरिंग चल रहा है।
Promotions of the respondent number 4, 5, 6, and 7 to the post of senior assistant accountant, as well as of the 6 to respondent number 6 to superintendent set aside. And direction has been issued to convene a fresh DPC for all the promotions, consider the case of the petitioner. And we have referred to a judgment, recent judgment of the Supreme Court, wherein the parameters to be considered for seniority come merit come seniority has been laid down. We have asked the respondents to adhere to that.
Madam, the only prayer, my lord, if lordship directs the officials to upload it, my lord.
You will have it by Friday,
Madam,
not before that.
I'm obliged.
Obliged.
Or if you want it early, come down here. Take it from here now.
Had there been an occasion, my lord, definitely I would have gone and would have come back with the official vehicle, my lord.
In view of the above discussions and conclusions, this court is of the considered view that given the facts and circumstances existing in the matter, it has to be held that the penalty as imposed upon the petitioner commensurates to the misconduct as established against him in the matter, and the same does not call for any interference. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed.
Number 2.
There's some corrections. After considering the entire matter, what we have done is we have remanded back the matter to the respondent number 3 commandant for passing a consequential order within 45 days. And thereafter, if he finds that the petitioner is entitled to be retained in service, he shall pass further consequential orders as to how the period from 2/2/1991 till the date of passing of the order is to be treated. Right?
Developed.
The seniority list, provisional seniority list of 8/9/2021 and the final seniority list dated 7/6/2023 are upheld. Writ petition stands dismissed. Because of the illegality so noticed in the regularization orders, following the Supreme Court orders, we have upheld the cancellation of their appointments. Who is appearing? Who is appearing for the respondent? Mr.
I'm appearing on behalf of Tawata, standing counsel. You are the standing counsel right now. He's in appearing in the material.
For tomorrow. Who? Ask him to stay back. Friday we will hear. What is the issue? What benefit he is not getting? From when? From when? 94, 95. Then urgency is for tomorrow. Okay, I'll list it. Tomorrow you list it. I'll fix a date in January. Listen. Dirij. Seventeen.
Lordship, in item number 17, Lordship. Lordship, there's a reason to beg apologies. I would like to withdraw this very affidavit. There's some mistake in this affidavit. And matter is, we are ready to file a press lawsuit. So matter is taken up as a last item. We are filing we are minor or some roads are there.
Minor, but the tenor is the same in both the affidavits. You see, you have also in this affidavit, subject to correction. If that is the error you have made, okay, fine. We can understand. But here also you have agreed to one factor, leave the other things you have written. That the promotions to the entry cadre posts will be to civil from inspector civil.
Correct.
IRBM from this.
Correct.
So if that be so, you must have the exam, because your breakup that now that you have given here. See, this has to be maintained. I'll only say that civil police 30 posts is for direct recruitment, 30 posts is for promotion. Kindly maintain that. That much only I'll say. I'll not say anything more. I'll not say anything less. Because I'll not go into it. Because you say you have vacancies.
That is the lawsuit. What I'm submitting is lawsuit. So far lawsuit, how these officers enters into this?
That we don't know. Once you have identified at page 145.
This is sanction post lawsuit.
I only want that. You maintain that. You maintain that. That civil police, 30 posts are there. Just maintain that and fill up that 30 vacancies from inspector civil. Nobody else. Do whatever you want to do thereafter. We are not coming in. It's up to you. But this 30 posts of inspector civil for APN 6 posts, IRBN 17 posts, just maintain this division.
Lordship, so the issue in this writ petition, Lordship.
If you tomorrow come up and show that all these 30 posts are filled up, Mr. Punning will ask him go out. Will not allow him even to sit in the court.
No, Lordship. Here, Lordship, admittedly, Lordship, 20 posts are vacant here, Lordship. So for direct recruitment is concerned.
What I am trying to say is, what you have said in 145, I'll just extract that. Say, maintain this 30 posts of civil. This always should be 30 posts, which vacancies therein will be filled up from Inspector Civil. That's all. And you have also admitted that 2 posts out of this you had given for direct recruitment.
Direct recruitment.
So bring it back. You have vacancies.
No.
See, these people have not come in till now. These people are in the process of coming.
Lordship,
So wherever you appoint them, it's up to you.
let me.
In
In that respect, also, Lordship, I was supposed to make some correction, Lordship.
Okay.
Because, Lordship,
You-
so far, Lordship, direct recruitment is concerned, there is no distinction, Lordship. They are treated as an indicator only, Lordship.
Oh, that
They
means-
does not belong
Mr.
to Lordship.
Tapin, maybe I have not got through to you. What I'm trying to say is you have 20 vacant posts and you say that the cadre strength for promotion, inspector from inspector civil in entry cadre civil is 30. Right? Maintain that 30, that's all. You make appointment wherever you want to make, but this 30 posts, keep it safe. Because this is your stand. Now, if you are changing this, I have nothing to say. Page 145, this you are changing, I have nothing to say. You come to page 145, it's part of just above paragraph 5. Internal page 5. Internal page 5, page 145. That table you have done. And the word used is actual statement of.
Oh.
You have 25 posts, 28 vacancies for promotion, right? You have 20 vacancy for direct recruitment. You have advertised only 6.
6.
So you have still 14 posts left.
Correct.
Then why their grievance? We will only say that there are 30 posts advertised, 30 posts identified by the government for inspectors or for civil police entry cadre. Just this 30 posts fill it up by promotion from inspector civil. Nothing more, nothing less.
No. These posts, Lordship, 6 posts is meant for direct recruitment, Lordship.
Go, you have 20 posts. Why are you?
This 6 posts is from these 20 posts only, Lordship.
Okay, but then you have sent 2 posts in your earlier requisition to the APPSC, page 37 of the writ petition.
Correct, Lordship.
So these 2 posts is going from civil police.
Here, Lordship, therefore, Lordship, I was making some correction in my.
Okay, you make your correction, get it. We'll have it tomorrow. Let him get that. Okay.
As a last item, it can be taken up.
What will happen on 15?
Well, I can understand, my lord.
Okay, fine. Well, maybe there is some communication gap going on. Let us try to get the affidavit on record. Mr. Tapin, you get it? I'll take up the matter. Even if I finish the list and I go back, just call me. After some time. Have you got the minors?
Yes, Lordship, I have communicated, but I have not yet received the.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow or day after?
Lordship, okay, then.
Mr. Tapin, Learned Senior Government Advocate submits that the minutes of the meeting dated. Minutes of the Departmental Promotion Committee meeting held on 26/7/2018 as required to be furnished by him by this court-wide order dated 9/12/2024 has not been received, and accordingly he submits that the matter be taken up on Monday, facilitating him to place on record the said minutes. Prayer accepted. Raised it to look this matter on Monday. We only want to see how you have done it. And they were ad hoc. They don't have 15 years of service, admittedly. So your that contingency, that thing also requires 15 years. So if, and this post, as per the rules, 100% direct recruitment. So how could a promotional committee come in and do that? I just wanted to know that. Yes. What is your instruction?
Hello. We have received a petition sanction, but then the question here was, since he was from the state service and then inducted into IFS, what the rule says is that according to, in line with the 197 CRPC, the state has to issue the petition sanction. But in regard to section 19 of the PC Act, it has to be the central government.
So 19 will have primacy.
Yes.
So central government has now given.
Not given. As per my instruction, we have sent the documents to the vigilance department, and probably in the short time it will be received.
How short?
That I'm not aware, my lord. I have just spoken to the OCPS, my lord. Whatsoever, my lord.
What is the stage? What is the stage of the proceedings there?
Nothing. Since there was no prosecution, the
Prosecution sanction was done.
yes.
Okay, we'll give him one more chance, one final chance.
There is always fixing. There is always fixing. Regular that is.
There, down lower court.
In the lower court.
Okay, fine, no problem.
So,
No prejudice is caused, we'll just, you have retired from your service? No.
no.
Okay, fine. But
Retirement.
now the thing is that his
I'm
promotion,
retired.
everything may be stalled.
My lord.
Mr. Opada, Leonard, Special Public Prosecutor, SIC, Vigilance, submits that he be granted under 2 weeks' time to receive instructions as so required to be received by him in terms of the order dated 5/12/2024 passed by this court. Mr. M. Patil, Leonard, Senior Counsel, has objected to grant of further adjournments in the matter. However, considering the nature of the issue involved in the present proceedings, a last opportunity is granted to Mr. Opada to receive his instructions in the matter in terms of the directions passed by this court by order dated 5/12/2024. Registry to list this matters again on. Mr. Patil, will it be convenient for you for date from 7 to 10 or 15 to 6/17?
7 to 10.
17/1.
10. 7.
7, it's opening. We'll have it on 9. 9/1.
Yes.
9/1?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, you are not filing any affidavit.
My lord, I'm very sorry, I could not file. So otherwise, this is orders collect, the matter will fix for admission here.
No.
In the-
You
In the
if you
meantime,
don't want to, because that is why the time has been granted on
La-
several occasions.
this will be the last occasion.
I myself have done it twice earlier.
Yes. I have on many occasions remind them. But they
Okay,
didn't.
we'll close the matter, we'll hear it.
Madam, I have to respond. I have filed it today, but there's some defect in pagination, so it was not in record. My affidavit is under correction. Already filed. I've started copy to the petitioner.
All the parties have appeared.
Yes, my lord. 8, I have taken Dusty, my lord, which
You are appearing for
7.
7 and 8 is Dusty.
yes, my lord.
Was it accepted by this court?
No order has been passed, my lord.
Where is your Dusty affidavit?
Dusty affidavit, my lord.
Mr.
Page 210.
Mr. B. Picha, Lawrence, counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the service of notice upon the respondent number 8. Where is that acknowledgement of
He-
receipt?
They refuse, my lord.
Where
Para 2, my lord, page 211, my lord.
has submitted that the dusty service was, but the dusty service was taken for taken upon respondent number 8. However, on when?
On
On
5/10.
5/10/2024, when such notice was served upon the respondent number 8, the director of the respondent number 8 company refused to accept the notice. Full stop. In the above view of the matter, it is prayed that the service upon respondent number 8 be deemed to be complete. Full stop. The service of notice not upon respondent number 8 not having been effected, it is the affected, this court is of the view that the learned, this court hereby directs the learned counsel for the petitioner to serve an extra copy of the petition upon the learned standing counsel, upon Mr. G. Tarak, learned standing counsel, Rural Works Department, for service upon respondent number 8 through him. Mr. Tarak shall effect the service of notice upon the respondent number 8 through the departmental authorities upon the respondent number 8 before the next date of listing, and on the next date of listing shall place before this court the acknowledgement of such notice by the respondent number 8. Also, the learned counsel for the respondent number 7, Mr. Dabi, Mr. K. Dabi, has submitted that an affidavit on behalf of this respondent number 7 has been filed today. In the matter, copy has been given to you.
Yes, sir.
With advance copy to the learned counsel for the petition. Also, in the above view of the matter, registry to list this matters again on 16/1/2024 for
No.
orders.
16, I have something.
Then.
Uh,
15,
it's
or we can
14
have
to
it on 10,
10.
10/1/20.
19.
10.
19.
Let's see. It's for that notice only. I've not put it for admissions. Kept it for orders only.
My lord, this matter may be passed over for some time.
Sometime, no problem.
Instructions, my lord.
Yes, we've got it.
In this case, my lord, last occasion, his my lord documents, my lord, was not evaluated, my lord. Yes, at that point of time, he was suscited, my lord. At that point of time, he was suscited, my lord. Last para, my lord, last para will be 11, my lord. If my lord pass order, my lord, for re-evaluation, my lord, that will, they are paying some time, my lord. In terms of this honorable court, my lord, we have filed Jimma, my lord, that I have in Jimma, my lord, before the,
Forget it. Now all those things have gone.
my lord,
Now he's in the clear.
my lord.
Those are old things.
Okay, my lord.
Now why don't you? And what is this selection you have done?
Selection, my lord, will can
How have you evaluated the merit of those people whom you have selected? If there is no marks for the selection process, selection committee had not assigned marks. So what was the criteria?
awarded, my lord, that I have also
Then you say here, You are saying here no marks have been ever. In view of the above, it is important to note that there was no marks-based scoring system in the selection process for junior engineers under MSP quota. What is this? How will you make the selection? Some law.
In terms of
There is
office memorandum issued by the government of India, adopted by the state of Arunachal Pradesh. There, my lord, higher marks or give weightage or marks to be given to those who represented India.
So
Then,
some
yes, yes,
weightage
yes,
has to be
yes.
given.
My lord may direct them to declare my result based on this, my documents and
They say they have not even examined your case.
that's why, my lord. I think my learned friend is agreeable if your lordship directs to, my lord, evaluate my papers.
my lord. That I believe, my lord, that will be, my lord. Earlier occasion, my lord, in term of this honorable court, my lord, will file Jimma to the JMFC, my lord. Now
You are Charu Tachu.
Yes, sir.
my lord. Learned JMFC release the documents of 7%, my lord, not of his, my lord.
So mine was not even evaluated.
Evaluated.
Yes, my lord.
So let them, my lord, evaluate, my lord, in terms of the office memorandum.
Third day, party settling. List this matter on Friday for delivery of orders.
My lord,
We'll put the earlier things also.
I will not be there.
You need not be here.
Obliged.
Always, my lord.
I don't do that. Friday को खाली 22 से पास ही कर. Friday. List on Friday.
Malad, here on for the applicant, I'm afraid Malad, the petition counsel is not there, Malad. We have filed this application for implement, Malad. As a respondent.
You are trying to represent your clan also.
Yes, but now my lordship will see in the writ petition, no part, no name has been written. Lordship will see page 19 of
Where
the
is the
writ.
learned counsel for the petition?
That's why I'm not able to. He has simply wrote Malad Jamru clan, Malad, how it will reach Malad those petitions, Malad. Notice also.
You are a very powerful clan. He knows that. Just sending it, it will reach you.
At least it should be represented by a person,
No,
Malad.
I've seen it. We'll allow it, but you should be here.
That is listed on Friday, Malad, otherwise Malad.
Monday.
Monday.
The learned on call, the learned counsel for representing the petitioner is not present on call. However, the learned counsel for the respondents are present. So for the ends of justice, list this matter again on a writ petition memory. List this matter again on Monday, along with ISC number 250 bracketed AP 2020.
All right.
Well, lordship, please. Here in the case, the petitioner is a ENC specialist. ENC specialist. Now, though we have we have invoked Section 482 of the CRTC, all the facts and circumstances of the cases are varied from case to case. So here in the case is there. This is a case where pre-surgery operation was to be done to the complainant. It was on 30. He has submitted on that day, she produced the anesthesia report. After examining the anesthesia order report, it was the duty of the doctor to know what is his heart beating, what is his her blood pressure, everything he was checked. Then while checking, the victim girl, the complainant.
The only impression, Mr. Martin, subject to what you say, he went a step further and acted like a general doctor when he was an ENT specialist.
Now, he has told the doctor that there is a swelling and there is a itching. So whether during the
this is a kind of infection. Whether any operation can be done during at the time of the infection of the patient. So he said the swelling part and the itching part. It was in the private part. So that much only. So unless he stated it, I was not supposed to do it. Then after that, my lord.
What is the stage of the proceedings there?
Huh?
What is the stage of the proceedings in the trial court?
Oh, trial court is that day also I appeared, that is in prosecution evidence was taken place on
No, how many? The victim has been examined.
Yeah, no.
Victim has been examined.
Yes, examined, my lord. I have got the deposition also, and the deposition was also called for. This is the deposition, and after the deposition, no case is made out. That as per after reading that, the entirety of the case come under exception number 1 of 375 of 375 of Indian Penal Code.
Your Lordship, the deposition is also in the affidavit that they have filed. They have filed an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Apart from this, my lord, here he has not made out the ingredients of rape. Now, apart from that, there was a departmental inquiry. In the departmental inquiry
Have you
also,
seen her deposition?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I have been
It's
exonerated.
varied from the 161 statement.
Yes. Your Lordship, I'll just come to a small point, Your Lordship. They have filed an additional affidavit wherein they have brought the court's notice upon the departmental inquiry, Your Lordship, where he has been exonerated. I was actually going through the same point because will an exoneration or in the departmental person? No, in fact, Your Lordship, I have come across a two judgment of recent, that is like Ashu Surendranath, which has been followed by Radhesham Kejriwal, Your Lordship, if I may take, Your Lordship.
Judgment of Supreme Court.
Supreme Court, Your Lordship. This Radhesham Kejriwal, if I may take, Your Lordship, to below is the pagination number, Your Lordship. Page number 10, Your Lordship, will see.
Mr. Patil, please have your seat.
My lord, I too also have a one.
No, just have your seat. Let me just go. You can just sit down. You can sit down.
Yeah.
Paragraph 38, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Paragraph 38, more particularly 38.7, Your Lordship, will see.
then we'll have to examine
Yes,
the manner in which the departmental.
Inquiry has
what
been-
material was there.
yes, Your Lordship.
It's not
Uh,
a
if
very
I'll-
safe proposition too.
Yes, in fact, that was same in very recent of 2021.
Which is-
Ashu Surendranath Singh had also,
Now, if it's a Supreme Court judgment, we are bound to follow it.
yes.
But-
Oh, गलती से एक बार चला गया था। गलती से एक बार चला-
Para?
Para, it's the last para, proposition of,
Therefore, exoneration is per facto would not result into quashing of it. However, if the position is solely based on the finding in a proceeding that. This is the correct proposal.
yes. Even in this, Your Lordship, however, though the Honorable Court had,
Because you see the nature, the manner of receiving evidence.
yes,
In a departmental proceeding and in a court of law.
it's totally different. However, even in this case, though the same was, though the differences in the evidences of adjudicating authority as well as the criminal court was discussed. However, the matter was quashed only taking the ratio laid down in
Your data.
previous years. Because I had, since I too had a question if, because they have filed the additional inquiry report and if this will play any role in quashing, Your Lordship. Therefore, I had gone through it.
No, fine. Thank you. This was not to my knowledge. Thanks for bringing it my knowledge.
Yes.
So what do you say about
Now,
this?
now, if I look into, Your Lordship has rightly pointed out, if I look into the affidavit, the deposition that is in the made before the Honorable Trial Court, Your Lordship, the only bothering statement, which is the last statement where it's clearly she states that while writing the FIR after taking the views and opinions from my relatives, they have dictated me to write the things in fact, which is not done by the doctor, but to increase the magnitude of the offense. And I have written in the FIR as well as given statement under 164.
Because earlier thing is that she was given that cream, she was put that cream by the doctor himself.
Yes.
But now she has said that no, the doctor had given me the
The
cream, I
cream,
had put it
yes.
on my own. So
Now
that's a
it's-
big difference.
Yes, 164, 161, and this deposition does not corroborate at all, Your Lordship.
When is the next date fixed, Mr. Padin? Next date? Next date, for example. Huh?
20 January.
20
20 January.
This will require some consideration now. Otherwise, there is a case being, I have my doubts with regard to the allegation now leveled. The accused has been examined?
Accused, no,
No.
not yet.
That means the prosecution has not been completed.
Yes.
No, not yet completed.
And there is no other relevant witness now left.
Only she is the witness, Your
Only
Lordship.
she is the witness.
Otherwise, the OPD lady, she.
That
she has
lady
given-
who was standing outside.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is your decision, Mr. Patil?
Oh, my decision is, oh, it's good. It's all right. It's good.
Charge has been framed under which section? 376 to 354. 376 to E as on date.
This does not come, the MLC also I have gone through, Your Lordship, it does not.
Not there. IPC.
23, para 23.
Asha Chauhan.
This is the SCC, para 23. Even
Pela?
para 23, even though all this fact, including the
Pela?
report
Pela?
of the
23, Your Lordship.
23 page 10.
It's para 15 only here. Asha Chauhan, Ashish Chauhan.
Your Lordship, page 10. Ashish Chauhan.
Page 10. Okay. Ah, para 23. Okay.
Yeah. Even though all these facts, including the report of the Central Vigilance Commission, were brought to the notice of the High Court, unfortunately, the High Court took a view that the issues raised had to be gone into the final proceeding, and the report of the Central Vigilance Commission exonerating the appellant of the same charge in departmental proceeding would not conclude the criminal case against the appellant. We have already held that for the reasons given, on the peculiar fact of this case, the criminal proceeding initiated against the appellant cannot be pursued. Therefore, we do not agree with the view taken by the High Court as stated above. These are the reasons for our order dated on 27/3/1996 for following the appeal and quashing the impugned
I got it,
criminal
Mr.
proceeding.
But I got it. Madam, one more thing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
376 2 gone.
Yes.
But 354 also there is no.
No materialized, but and the very fact that she deposed that she has gone to just to increase the magnitude, she had filed the
File date. That is the damage.
that is the damage.
But now, can we at this stage take note of that statement?
Yes, Your Lordship can take, because this is a deposition which is also in the record, and therefore the record was called for.
Yeah, court has called it. Court called it.
Okay. Heard Mr. M. Patil, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
MUB.
MUB, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. PGV, Learned Counsel for the Learned Additional Public Prosecutor appearing for the respondents. Full stop. Hearing concluded. List this matter on 18/12/2024 for delivery of orders. If I have any doubt, I'll just clarify and then I'll pass my orders.
Deeply.
Yeah. Jimmy, subject to something very drastic coming up, I
Yes.
think we'll interfere.
Yes, Your Lordship. Deeply.
Where is Mr. Mojumdar?
It's on legs, Your Lordship.
We'll have it on some other day then. We'll have it on some other day.
I am protected.
You're protected.
Yes. There may be more.
There is a preliminary objection taken by the respondents.
In this CRP,
This was the case, No, Mr.
28.
Mr. D. Mojumdar had mentioned in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. He is busy. We'll have it on some other day. On the prayer of the Learned Counsel for the parties, registered to list this matter. Again, when? You give the date when Mr. Mojumdar is available.
Yes.
Huh?
That will
Talk to Mr. Panning also
Yes,
and
sir.
give the date. Date they take.
Interim order.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. There is no appeal against that interim order.
No, my lord.
What is left?
But by this way, he is deliberately defying this order.
Yes, who is appealing for the respondent?
Not his person and ask the result.
Yes.
My lord, this matter may be possible for some time.
Why?
For some time, my lord.
Why?
My lord, Arseka is in court number 1.
Give me some more matters, I'll sit here. Those have nothing to do.
I will continue my argument until he can confirm.
No. Where is the hitch now?
No day has been fixed.
Okay, what we do is get Mr. Arsoke, I'm inside. I also have some other work, I'll do it. And call me. You have got your affidavit?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take up that, then we'll come back to you. There is a matter.
Fine.
Mr. Pani. Come. Affidavit.
I've gone through it, my lord. What they say is they are confused, but the chart is the same. Confusion cannot be a ground.
No, what is this two affidavits?
That's not one.
One affidavit.
Okay.
The chart is the same, my lord. That is there. But they say they are confused.
May I make submission?
Oh. So you maintain the chart?
Lordship. Only Lordship, 3 minutes.
No, I'm coming. No, please.
Only
So what is the change here?
Change here, Lordship, kindly come to 144, Lordship. 144, Lordship. Lordship, after coming, before 144, Lordship, kindly come to. Lordship, 144. 144, after coming of 2023 amendment, Lordship. In fifth line. After coming of 2023 amendment rule, wherein it says that the letter of promotion shall be from their respective cadre, that is inspector, civil, so and so.
Mr. Tapin, who has created this confusion? You have yourself created this confusion. Nobody has created this confusion.
Just. But the rule 2023 does not make any changes in the direct recruitment law. In direct recruitment law, there is no changes. Their lawsuit, the officers are entered as an entry cadre lawsuit. They are not lawsuit appointed against any particular post.
Okay, do
But
one
they are-
thing. Okay, fine, I got it.
Now lawsuit, what is the basis of this submission lawsuit? Kindly see the RR recruitment rule law. Rule says lawsuit, they are entry cadre lawsuit and analogous, they can be posted to any post lawsuit and which is analogous to that very grade.
That's not the issue. The
Issue is here lawsuit. 23, when lawsuit 24.
See, once he comes into the service, entry cadre, once he comes into,
lawsuit.
then you post him wherever you want to be.
Correct.
But how to come in? That is defined. That he will come in only against the post of entry cadre civil.
No. Kindly see.
You make a statement, I'll make it open then. That he can be recruited against or he can be promoted against any vacancy. Make it clear, we'll dispose of the matter.
So, but direct recruitment.
Direct recruitment, we are not worried. You have 24 vacancies, you have only utilized 6. You have 24 vacancies, Mr. Tapin. You have only utilized 6.
20 vacancies are there.
20, you have only utilized 6.
6 posts.
Then,
so what I'm submitting is also these 6 posts mean for direct recruitment lawsuit.
But the only thing is, page 37 comes in when 2 posts of civil has been taken away for direct recruitment. Either you show that the 2 posts that were taken away are from direct recruitment quota of that service, or it will be promotion quota, then we'll have to give him something.
Lawsuit, here lawsuit vacancies, when it's admitted 20 posts are there lawsuit against the direct recruitment lawsuit. And I'm making submission that lawsuit on records lawsuit, this 6 posts is from this 20 posts only lawsuit, which is against the direct recruitment where there's no distinction lawsuit. How the petitioners agree lawsuit?
So you make a statement that, where is that? Page 37.
Yes.
You make a statement that these 2 posts that have been now put up for recruitment, right? Put up for recruitment, is not from the promotional quota of 30 posts, but from the promotional quota, from the direct recruitment quota of 30 posts. I'll record it, we'll dispose of it.
Here lawsuit, that statement is here.
Well, show me.
I'll also kindly come to page 146.
The new affidavit.
A new affidavit. New affidavit, I think just. Kindly come to paragraph 5.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 5. At page 146. So I'll read from paragraph 5.
Mr. Mazumdar, you can give a date, no problem. Because I want you to keep on coming back so we can see you regularly.
Next week, I wanted to come, I am saying that next Tuesday, next week.
But he'll not be here. He'll-
Sometimes done.
January. Fine. Put, give it something. Yes.
The department has requisitioned 4 posts of AP and in the year 2022.
Just on page 146.
Which was done prior to the coming of recruitment 2023. And it's regulated here that prior to coming of recruitment rule 2020, all the vacancies in NTK was filled up as APPS and TKR, but not against any particular category, referring DSP or assistant government. However, 2 posts which have been required in year 2024 are also meant for NTK, though vacancy arrows belongs to DSP post, new sanction post. Therefore, the department can say that these 2 posts are due to vacancy arrows in the DSP, but the same shall be filled up as an indicator as per the recruitment rule.
No dispute on that.
No.
No dispute on that. But whether that DSP post is a promotional quota or direct recruit quota, 30 from the promotional or 30 from the, it's 30 minus 2 or direct recruit or 30 minus 2 promotion. That's the only thing we want to know.
No, sir, here is very clear, no, sir. When
I'm protecting you. Let me pass the order. I'll protect you also.
okay.
I'll protect them also.
And so
There'll be no issue.
So far, Losip may pass order and one more sanction. So far, interim is concerned. There's no Losip interim Losip. Why I'm submitting so Losip? Because Losip, now the preliminary exam is going to be held on this 15 or 16 Losip.
Then there'll be mains.
They are main. In mains only the preference has to be given against the post Losip. In
that,
prelims, though, there's no Losip.
I would even go to the extent that even if the entire selection process is completed, given that you have 14 posts left, nothing, Mr. Fanning is not going to suffer in any manner. But the issue is, now that you have identified a carved out post for each cadres, how can you defy that?
Here also I have given
your statement that this is a confusion after 23 rules, can't help it. You withdraw that rule.
Here also I have categorically I have made this statement also. And the 6 posts advertised by so and so comes within the 20 vacant posts lying against the recruitment.
Finish. Look. And this will not, that will say that this 6 posts is only against direct recruitment quota and none of the vacant posts pertaining to the inspector civil promotional quota of inspector civil has been utilized. Where is that statement?
One clarification. One clarification. I have made particular categorical statement. So far,
we'll just quote it and dispose of the repetition. That's all.
What I'm at least
tell me.
Here categorical statement we have made. This 6 posts is against the direct recruitment. That's it. It's on records at page 146. But the second loss observation was because we have taken a statement loss. Because loss so far the appointment made loss by promotion or by direct recruitment loss. All lower loss as an indicator on the
Mr. Tapin, now you have come to the point. Now tell me, if that is the situation, how could you make that chart in page 145?
145 is the low say.
See, what you say is, we don't know who is from where. We don't know who is from who, from where.
Low say 145.
That is your statement. Now you come to 145.
145 is the child low. Here low say is showing the sanction post only low. In respective
Actual,
I think
I am only concerned with this only. Don't break this.
This is anti-grade loss. Anti-grade is analogous with many.
See, I'll explain to you. This is anti-grade 5.
5.
You can come in like this.
Correct.
Once you are in the cadre, you are this. You don't know. You lose your identity.
Yes.
Right?
Correct.
You lose your identity.
Yes.
You're not a DSP. You are just an entry cadre officer.
Entry cadre.
But the issue is, to get into that entry cadre, you will have to come only through one of these ways. You get my point? Only one of these 2 ways are left.
Correct.
Now he says he'll come through this way. Now, if that is shortened, he'll be suffering. And this APPS entry cadre is a civil.
Lordship, in that respect also, I have given statement also. We can't deviate from the recruitment rules, service rules. Service rules says Lordship, they have to be treated as an anti-cadre laws.
They are not entry cadre. They want to be in the entry cadre.
They
If there are only 4 mangoes, how can 5 people eat it?
Therefore, Lordship,
That is the only thing they want.
Correct, Lordship. But what I am submitted is, Lordship, on record, Lordship.
Mr. Tapin,
So,
the way, the manner, your body language, your tone, it seems that the authorities have restrained you from making submissions. There is a bar somewhere. I can understand Mr. Tapin is not so, he is open. We know that. We know Mr. Tapin.
Lordship. Yeah, Lordship. What? Until unless serving officials are Lordship. Until they are agitated against
Mr. Tapin, let me make a mistake.
Lordship.
Let me make a mistake. Now, there is time. Nothing is going to happen. Let me make a mistake.
Lordship.
You, if that is wrong, you get it rectified by way of filing an affidavit explaining the position, so that this is only an interim order. When we take up the matter for final consideration, we can alter that. Take it. Like it. Hurt Mr. Will not cause prejudice to you. Don't worry. Will not cause prejudice. Hurt Mr. D. Panik, Learned Counsel for the petition. Any interim order passed earlier before in this? No. Panik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Tapin, Learned Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the respondents. The grievance raised by the petitioner in the instant proceeding is to the extent that the promotional, that the posts meant for recruitment into APS entry cadre from the feeder stream of Inspector of Police Civil is being sought to be reduced by the departmental authorities by putting up for recruitment posts meant for promotion of Inspector Civil to the entry cadre post of the APPS entry cadre by way of direct recruitment, and thereby depriving the incumbents in the post of Inspector of Police Civil, no? Yes. Inspector of Police Civil from having their cases considered for promotion to the Arunachal Pradesh entry cadre, full stop. In this connection, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner has relied upon the amendment as effective to the Arunachal Pradesh Police Service Rules 1989, by the Arunachal Pradesh Police Service bracketed Second Amendment Rules 2023, which mandates under clause 5(1), which mandates under where is the original rules? Original rules 5. Page 24 is rule 5. There was one more amendment here. Okay, fine. Which mandates under Rule 5, bracketed 4, that the recruitment to the Arunachal Pradesh Police Service bracketed entry grade, Assistant Commandant APBN, Assistant Commandant IRBN shall be filled up by promotion from eligible officers belonging to the respective feeder grade / cadre post of Inspector of Civil, Police Civil / AAPBN / IRBN as specified under Clause B of Subrule 1 of Rule 5, Clause A and B bracketed 1 of Subrule 1 of Rule 12 and 26. Also, the intent of the said rule is projected to mean that for each of the feeder cadres, there would be a determined number of vacancies, both for for promotion in the identified cadres, identified posts in the Arunachal Pradesh Police Service entry grade. So the petitioners have further highlighted that the respondent authorities respondent authorities had via a communication dated 30/5/2024, which was so issued after the coming into force of the amendment rules of 2023, put up 2 posts of Deputy Superintendent of Police / APPS entry grade for direct recruitment. So accordingly, the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, via advertisement dated 10/2024, has put up for recruitment 6 posts of APPS entry grade bracket over Group A. APPS bracket में entry grade bracket over Group A for recruitment. And it is the apprehension of the petitioners that the said 6 posts have actually been so put up for recruitment from the quota prescribed for Inspector of Police bracketed civil for promotion to the entry grade of APPS. Also, Mr. Tapin, Learned Counsel for the respondents, has filed an affidavit, the Learned Counsel for the respondents had filed an affidavit in the matter on 9/12/2024. However, I'm just clearing it up. However, during when the matter was taken up today, Mr. Tapin has prayed for withdrawal of the said affidavit, which was not objected to by Mr. D. Pani. So accordingly, this said affidavit was permitted to be withdrawn by the Learned Counsel for Learned Senior Government Advocate on behalf of the respondents. Mr. Tapin has thereafter filed an affidavit today, that is on 11/12/2024, and therein has brought on record the cadre strength or the actual cadre strength of posts in APPS entry grade. So the same being relevant is extracted here in below. Page 145 say A to A. So further, the respondent authorities have in their said affidavit in paragraph 5 stated that the 6 posts as advertised by APPSC would come within the 20 vacant posts lying vacant against the direct recruitment quota, and therefore the petitioners will not have any grievance. Also, in view of the said categorical statements so made in the affidavit by the respondent authorities, the apprehension of the petitioners that the quota as prescribed for civil police in the APPS entry cadre was put up for recruitment, but was advertised by the APPSC. No, was put up for direct recruitment through the advertisement issued by the APPSC in the matter stands redressed. Full stop. It is provided that full stop. Considering the breakup of the posts in the entry cadre or entry grade of APPS as extracted here, has set out in the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents and as set out here and as extracted herein above, the Inspector of Police have 30 posts for consideration of their cases for entry into the APPS entry grade. Full stop. Considering the submissions, considering the contentions so made by the respondents in their affidavit so filed on 11/12/2024, it is provided that the respondent authorities may proceed with the selection process and effect appointments therefrom against posts which have been identified to be vacant against the direct recruitment quota as available in the APPS entry grade and shall not infringe upon the quota as posts as identified and quota code posts as identified for direct recruitment. In other words, the 30 posts as advertised as identified for the promotional as promotional quota for recruitment from the cadre of Inspector of Police in the as APPS entry cadre shall not be disturbed at any cost. Full stop. Further orders as would be called for in the matter shall be passed upon a detailed consideration of the issues arising in the matter. Finished? Now go ahead and enjoy. मैडम आराम से मार्केट कल देने से भी होगा तुम टाइप इट आउट गिव इट टू मी टुमारो इतना कोई भागाभागी नहीं है
Best order was it?
No, they have a genuine problem.
But ultimately, because of what your
problem is, it's the person.
Yes, exactly.
Because what they want to do now is, they are not understanding it. They have recruited, say, 60 people. Now, these 60 people are working in different posts. Now, tomorrow, if they have to put them in cases.
Actually, what they used to do earlier was that,
They did not do that. They did not do that.
sir, all guys who are on the higher side, they are given the civil police service everywhere. And those ones who are lower, they used to be given, they were doing like this.
Only thing they have to do now is, they have to just, on paper, put people against this three posts. People. And thereafter find out what are the
Vacancies.
Effect promotion.
Correct.
Because these three people, after they become APPS, as far as I could understand from the rules, they are not, there is no differentiation. The inspector, deputy SP, will not continue as deputy SP, he can post it as an assistant commander also. He can be posted as an IRB commander also.
Yes, but the next promotional post for deputy SP civil is in the civil line only.
No, this APPS, this assistant commander battalion,
Yes.
where they will not be.
No.
Where do you show that?
I have not brought the rules, but that is the, I am saying they have typed themselves in law.
In direct recruitment also, the changes is not there, lawsuit. In direct recruitment, whoever comes lawsuit, they can be posted anywhere.
Well, he gets 15 months.
Lawsuit.
How is the appointment made?
The appointment lawsuit, there is an entry.
The lowest one will be civil.
No, that's not that.
You will be given as.
No, that's not that. But rules proceed. And to do that exercise lawsuit, option has to be given the serving officials where they want to go on mail.
They will not give you the civil APPN or IRB.
So therefore we are stuck on that is when the difficulties is their lawsuit. Anyway, we are contemplating. No, that part lawsuit. We are. Yes, lawsuit. No.
Obliged.
Otherwise, this matter can be disposed of in that time.
Those will be required. I'm giving it for your benefit.
Loss.
You will now realize what to do. You will now get the idea what to do. Come back.
Okay. Loss.
Dispose it off.
Loss.
It will create problem. January, business matter again on 22/1/2024 for further consideration. For 22/1/2024. Steps have been taken. Notices have been issued.
Yes.
Really?
Item number 28/21.
28. You are not.
No, I am extremely concerned.
You were here, sir, and you wanted to do the matter.
Okay.
This leading company is attending this.
Okay.
Yes, so you discuss tomorrow.
I have fixed it on his request. Learn to what to submit.
Please.
We must learn what to submit. Question what is that we do this. Impossible. Yes. Yes, previous submission. We are discussing your request. Okay.
Last chance maybe.
This is matter again tomorrow. That's the first time. Tomorrow,
Much obliged.
and tomorrow it does not come. Please don't mind. I'll discuss it for you.
Sure.
Item number 29 and 30.
Yes, where is Mr. Swell?
Yes,
Yes, Mr. Swell, what is this? You don't get the thing moved from one way, you get it from the other way. Huh? Now, what is the issue? What is the problem?
My lord, I have some difficulties today, my lord.
We understand your difficulty, but what is the difficulty with your receipt?
My lord. Well, ultimately, my lord,
Okay,
two matters
we accept everything. Your first, fine, does not decide you. Your first instance was that chief municipal officer was contacted. We have come out, given some views. That is now at finality because you have not gone. Right? So that is that. Then the matter goes back. He fixes 25, 10, 2024. 40, holding of the non-confidence. Right? You are the member, you are the man. No, you are the members or the main member?
Chairman.
And you are the members. And you are? You are the government.
I'm
You?
I'm the government director.
And you?
I'm for deputy commissioner.
What do you do?
No, so I was there.
You are for election.
There is no supervisor here.
So Mr. Abba should be given the first seat. Now tell me, what is the problem with you?
Yes, my lord.
Where is the power, where in the rules it is said that he has to get an approval from the government for holding a non-confidence?
This is there,
Mr. Give me a date that this is the date when we are going to sit for the no confidence motion. I'll dispose of the petition. Nothing more, nothing. This cannot be done in this manner. Democratic things have to be taken in democratic
my
manner.
lord. Today, my lord, I have.
You do it. Today I'm not even disturbing you. You give me a date tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have it. You give me a date that we will sit together on that day. Let the motion be considered on that day.
There is further subsequent.
Face it.
My lord. Yes, sir. There is further subsequent developments, my lord. In these two writ petitions, my lord, one being filed by me, my lord has given, rejected my entry prayer, but with certain observations, my lord. And just I will read out the.
That final observation, that we'll consider now only. That you want it to be finalized.
My lord.
You want it, I said that this will require a further hearing. Okay, fine, we will consider it when it's further hearing. I'll reiterate my view today. And I think that is not being taken up on appeal. I think that is a reasonable view. Now, the second question by Mr. Tara is that, see, 25-10 it was done. Now you have postponed it. So now what we do is we fix a date, consent given by you both, that on that day we will appear, have the no confidence motion. Yes, Mr. Tara, what do you say?
My lord.
That's not, the order has certain finality, they have not put into challenge. Once.
Okay.
The simple thing.
You, Mr. Sege, get me the date by tomorrow.
Before this, my lord, may I submit something? A few, my lord. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, my lord. In item number, in my lord, represent 284, my lord. Only notice has been issued, my lord. And my lord, in 318, my lord, no notice has been issued.
Forget it. I'm exercising my discretion. I'm requiring you to give me a date. On which date you will come sit there.
Subsequent development, my lord. Because, my lord.
And this is, I'm not doing it for the first time. I'm doing it, we are doing it regularly in Gaudi. Panchayat, regular Gaudi, this is the way.
My lord, got effect, my lord, subsequently, my lord. My lord, the writ petition is,
No.
my lord.
Now, the writ petitioner, it is now between the writ petitioner and the government. The deputy commissioner has adjourned the date. You are not aggrieved by that. You are a beneficiary.
Because the writ petitioners matter, who were initially in the BJP matter, they joined in the NCP matter, NCP rejected their case. As with the list matter, thereafter, purportedly they had shown merger in the Congress line matter on 25th matter. Which were not in the knowledge of the.
Mr. Soikia, is that an issue here?
That's why.
Is that an issue here?
Facts matter before this honorable.
No, is that an issue?
Because, my lord, these, my lord.
No, can you as a respondent bring that issue now? You will, if there is something, they'll go and challenge it. Anti-defection, you do whatever you want to do.
It is under challenge matter.
You do it. Where?
Before the matter, appellate authority, chief secretary matter.
Fine, whatever happens, there will happen. But today, this no confidence is hanging. We want to take it to its logic.
My submission is that matter. The non-confidence motion was moved when they were at BJP councillors. Subsequently, they marched in the Congress matter.
Let them give up. Ask you just take out a statement from Mr. Tara that he is giving up. I am closing it.
No, I'm not.
In a panchayat, what is this party system? It should be.
It's a party system.
I know that, but
it's a party based.
Okay, fine. It's based party, but that thing have you challenged it? That now that you have changed over to NCP, that notice has lost its force.
Because they have maintained disqualification, so we have filed the BJP president has filed an application before the state election commission.
Please proceed with that. Please proceed with that.
Then, my lord, the state election commission held that, my lord, they cannot be disqualified, my lord. And against that, my lord, the appeal has been filed before under section 6 before the chief secretary, who is the appellate authority, my lord. And the appellate authority has stayed the, my lord, order of the, my lord, state election commission, my lord.
So by that stay of what effect? They continue.
No, madam. My submission is that, madam. If they are expelled, madam, they cannot be remain as a madam. Neither he can be a BJP.
So you give me a date. You give me a date. Factor in when the chief secretary would pass that order. If you factor in that, if they are not members, they will not vote. That's all.
That's why, madam.
Why should we wait for that? For that, we will not wait for this position.
Because, madam, they are not.
When was the order passed by the state? No, that by the State Election Commission.
Madam, they have annexed in the minor. They are additional affidavit, madam.
When?
It is on minor 1/11/2024.
1/11. So today we are a month down.
Yes, we have filed.
So for that, how can you take a benefit?
Minor, against that minor, we have filed appeal minor before the minor.
You have filed an appeal?
Appeal before the.
You filed?
Yes, madam. Minor BJP has filed. The minor appeal. Nothing to do with us. Let me comment. Please. This is the order passed by the appellate authority. It says the bearing in our case, madam. Because, madam, the order of the State Election Commission has been stayed, madam. Kindly see last page, madam. And, madam, their expulsion is under active consideration, madam. Whether they can be expelled or not, madam. Once we have, madam, expelled from the madam, they attain the disqualification, madam, on being expelled by the BJP, madam. If they are expelled by the BJP, madam, they are unelected members, madam.
When was this order passed?
Yesterday, madam.
I'm not hearing this. I'm not even considering this. Why was this matter being pending before this court not being brought to the notice of the Chief Secretary? Where have you brought this matter to the notice of the Chief Secretary?
Madam, in the application itself, madam.
Where?
Madam, it is in the order of the madam.
Here, that depend that. I don't find it here.
Here may not reflected, but in the State Election Commission it is reflected.
This is an independent proceeding. This will continue.
No, madam.
This has got nothing to do.
If they are.
Are you a directly elected chairman, or is it elected from? You are elected here. You are elected as member, then becoming a chairman. Even if your chairmanship goes, what will you? You will be a member.
Yes, ma'am.
You will remain a member. If they go back, come back again.
After the expulsion of BJP member.
You are not a directly elected chairman. You are a directly elected member. From there, you get selected as a chairman. Now, if tomorrow their things go, you come back.
My lord,
You will have more power.
when they requested for the no confidence motion, they were whether in the BJP member.
Show me the law that by change of this, that no confidence motion has lost its force. Just show me that. Why go so long? Just show me that. Tomorrow, you're ready tomorrow? Monday. Why?
In the meantime.
Wait, give me a reason.
The reason is that not adjournment after adjournment has.
Okay, fine. The last adjournment.
My lord, on Monday, I will bring all this matter, the facts matter.
We don't want any affidavit. We are only one.
Once matter explained from the matter BJP, whether they can be.
They are, as legally, they are not an expel member today. Legally, they are not an.
They are expelled from
Wait.
BJP matter.
Maybe, but they are still a member of the panchayat or the member of the municipality.
The question is matter, once it is expelled matter, they have been expelled, they become under.
You tell me one answer, yes or
No
no.
affiliation to
No,
the-
yes or no today. That is a matter of interpretation. Today, are they functioning as municipal commissioners? Councillors, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Are they functioning as municipal? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Then that is the end of the matter. Heard Mr. T.T. Taral on a counsel for the petitioner and Mr. R. Sirkyal on a counsel for the petitioner, T.T. Tara for petitioner in 318/2024 and Mr. R. Sirkyal on a counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 284 AP 2024, along with Mr. A. Apang, Mr. T. S. Tapin and Mr. T. Omo appearing for the respective respondents in both the respective petitions. So, the matter on the prayer of Mr. R. Sirkyal and counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 284 AP 2024, raised it to list those matters again on Monday. Tuesday. Monday, finally. I reserve my comments.
They don't have respect for the court already.
Why that statement, Mr. Tara?
Distance is.
No, that is,
Here.
no, that you should not. He has full right to defend, Mr. Tara. He has full right. And we will give him to the largest
I'm
extent.
not saying that. I'm not asking as person or any allegation on him. What I'm saying is the state government do not have any respect for the court's order. Once there is a judicial order, they don't implement it.
Mr. Tara, you are a person who have seen both sides. Have you been respecting all orders when you were on that side? That is life. We can't help it.
Correct. But